Alright guys, we are at Racewars 2022, which is like an event here at Circuit of Welded. There's tuning cars, there's sprint racing, like drag strip racing and stuff. I participated in a drift comp. I have qualified. There's like a top 5 that have to battle it out against each other. 4 other guys are people from Holland. It is crazy hot, it's a bright day. That's pretty much the layout, and I get a shower after every single run. So I didn't explain how I got qualified, but I think I have the footage from outside. It was kind of chaotic because the schedule wasn't really followed, so all of a sudden I had to qualify and I didn't have a camera on me. So there was no qualifying solo runs because the guy here who organizes it sees it as if you qualified and there's brackets. If you lose one tandem run, then you're done. So the way it went here, we went together in groups of 4. I had to chase one guy and I had to lead, and we did that for the 4 people, and the guy with the most points won. So I'm qualified 3rd now. There's top 5.
Uiteraard rekent dat heel erg door in de eindafrekening, wanneer je 1 run gemist gaat, spinnen, dan val je heel erg terug in de eindtrackschikking. De volgwagen weer in de problemen. Dus ik koos over de foute lijnen en dan maakt hem een grove fout.
Okay, so this is final. It's going to be another group of people again, just like qualifying. My rear brakes are definitely cold now, so I just need to make sure that the hydro works. So that was practice. Let's do it. I've never driven competition. We made it through quali. This is finals. So these guys here in green share a car. It's a kid that's 16 years old and his dad sharing the same car. Is pretty freaking dope. I wish me and my dad did that when I was younger. It's pretty cool. Quick update. I think the guy that made most points in qualifying just spun. Let's see what we can do. Let's try and hold it together.
BMW tegen Nissan. Pieter Goeie in de blauwe Nissan.
I think that was pretty solid. So now I have to follow him and try to not hit him. So I'm going to leave a small gap, I think. I'm not sure though.
Hoewel terughoudend. Volgens mij is de adrenaline weer zo hoog dat Pieter er blij voor gaat. Een klein foutje hier met de transitie.
I forgot to turn on my windshield wipers. I couldn't see anything. Shit. I'm not sure how close he was to me when chasing, but I might just have thrown that away. It's pretty funny. I guess that's the downfall of driving in these conditions with the sprayers. Oké. Wat Pieter beter dan Trino of niet? Okay.
Mooi voorbeeld van een battle De groene auto slaat nooit aan, komt eigenlijk de blauwe overtroeven.
Yeah, he was on me. Shit. I will have to drive like a maniac behind him. I have way too many tire pressure. Okay, let's do it. I think the proximity of him was better. I just can't keep up with him. I needed to drop some tire pressures. I think I will do that. I'm shaking. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting a thumbs up, but yeah, I think he had better proximity though. I have no single clue of what's happening. They are standing still, people are yelling, running, so there must be like a scoring issue, I guess. Somehow Peter made it into the finals as well. I'm not sure if he qualified or something was miscommunicated, but it's pretty awesome. So there's 2 Belgians and 4 Hollanders. Shit, I have to lead again. Okay, I think that was pretty good, pretty good. Let's follow him. I think I might be a bit faster, so just trying to gain some proximity while chasing and not really jump it. Okay, I'm in gear. Windshield wipers are on.
Tweede overleven. Heel wat tempo bij Jorik.
Yeah, at the end he drove away again. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty hard to see from the inside. I'm not sure if he was that close. I have no idea. We need to stop speculating and just drive. I think that's the best thing. I hear my axle just knocking. I have no other oh, I have the tire pressure gauge. Shit. I'm going to drop some more tire pressure, man.
Dat is een mooie bed, jongen.
Ja, dik toch? Ja, top. 1, 2, 3. Oh, event, maar één nu? 1, 2? Of 1, 2? Wow. Alrighty. Drop some more tire pressures. Kid is cheering me on. It's fun. I'm so hungry. Okay, I have to do another lead right here. Wasn't really that good online, but I tried to get closer because James out there in the crowd, he told me go closer. Whew. I think I have to drive with one more guy. Warm, jong? Ja. Okay, another battle. The actual knocking is crazy. I think I have to battle the dad now. So what, we had the son, guy 16, 17 years old. Now we have to battle the one he learned it from. Okay, he's really good. He had extremely close proximity. So now I basically have to drive 700% in chase position. I think his proximity was better. Shit! I just couldn't get there. Anyhow, I had a blast. The car is complete. The day is over. Shit. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Echt vet, jongens. Ja, ik heb echt nog nooit zo gereden. Leuk, echt leuk. Misschien moet ik vaker komen.
Dit is de Holland-style, hè?
Hey, je is heel, vindt.
Van dat eerste wat?
Je is heel.
Ja, je zat
Hey.
juist een klein beetje een paar zakken vastje gegeven.
Aan een bandton of
Ja,
wat?
ja, ik weet niet meer of je gedaan hebt. Ik denk dat ik het zo mee heb.
Ja, ça va. Merci, dank u. Merci, dank u. Dank u wel. Nu? Nee, geen stress, nee.
Denk je dat het breed of niet?
Ik heb geen idee, maar maakt mij niet uit. Ik ken het beste gereden dat we hier ooit hebben gereden. Dus ja.
Ja, ik heb het gezien, jongen.
Ja, dicht hè, met al die Hollanders.
Dan gaan we over naar de pro-klasse. Op de derde plaats, Twan Lambries. Op de tweede plaats, Jorik Rosberg. Top man, netjes. En dan kan er maar eentje de winnaar zijn. En dat was puur op regelmaat, want we hebben hem niet op foutjes kunnen betrappen tijdens de finales. En de eerste plaats is voor Colpaar Tiziano. Prachtig.
Hoe heet je, jongens?
West-Vlaanderen! Komen de winnaars hier even samen hier staan, de 6 man? Maar ik kan niet van winnen. Tot het eerste notje.
Nog even de...
So, Old Faithful held it together. I'm extremely lucky that the guy who I thought that would win spun on his first battle, because if not for that, I think I wouldn't have won. I'm officially the winner of the first competition that I ever did. Really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this gets published soon or uploaded. I'm really behind on schedule, so yeah, subscribe for more, like the video if you did, check out my social media if you want to. See you guys.